Hello dear students, today we are going to learn lesson number 15, Animal Homes. In this lesson we will learn shelters of wild and domestic animals, benefits of shelters to animal, zoos and national parks, animal shelters in different seasons. Sam was playing outside his house. He found two little birds chirping on a nearby tree. Suddenly it started to rain. He rushed to reach his house. He wondered what would happen to those birds. Where would they go to be safe during the rain? Birds will go to their nest to be safe during the rain. Like us, the animals also need places to live in. The covered space used by animals to live in are called shelters. Let us learn about the shelters of different kinds of animals around us. Shelters of domestic animals and pets. We build shelters for domestic animals like cows, buffaloes, goats, dogs, horses, and so on. Shelters of wild animals. Wild animals live in a variety of shelters like caves, burrows, nests, and so on. Some of them build shelters, while some use the shelters made by other animals. Birds mostly live on trees. They build nests to lay eggs. Nests are made of grass, twigs, leaves, threads, straw, and so on. Twigs are small broken branches and sticks. Nests of all birds are not alike. Some birds do not make any effort to build nests. For example, pigeons find shelters in gaps in walls, sunshade of windows, and so on. Rats and rabbits live underground in fields. They dig holes and burrows in the soil to live. Rats can also be found near houses and public places. They can make holes in the walls and floors of houses made of mud. Snakes do not build their shelters. They live in the holes and burrows made by other animals. We have seen that insects mostly use trees or soil as their shelters. Some of them build shelter for themselves. For example, ants build ant hills, bees make hives, and so on. Frogs live in moist places. They can live on ground or trees. Tigers and lions live in caves. Monkeys live on trees. Why do animals need shelters? Let's we find out. Shelters protect them from the harsh weather. Shelters protect animals from the rain, wind, hot sun, and very cold weather. Shelters protect them from their enemies. They help them to hide from the animals who eat them. Shelters also protect the young ones from their enemies. Some animals, like birds, need shelters to lay eggs and feed their young ones. There are many animals which eat the eggs of birds, so birds need a safe place to lay their eggs. They build nests in such places where other animals cannot reach them easily. You have learnt about the shelters of wild animals. They are their natural homes. But sometimes we see wild animals like the lion, tiger, elephant, and monkey in a zoo. Zoos are man made shelters of these animals. We build them. In the zoos, animals get food and are safe from their enemies. But they are not free. They are kept in cages. Some forest areas are protected as national parks to save the animals and their natural shelters. There, the animals can live freely. Cutting trees or killing animals in these areas is against the law. Did you know, students, Jim Corbett National Park is the oldest national park in India. It was set up in 1936 to protect the endangered Bengal tiger. The shelters of animals do not give enough protection from extreme hot or cold climate. What do animals do on such days? Let us see. Some animals travel to warm places to escape the extremely cold climate. For example, birds fly far away places to escape from the cold winters. Some animals go into a deep sleep to escape the cold weather and shortage of food. These animals go to a cave or a burrow to sleep. In a hot climate, some animals go for a summer sleep. They bury themselves in the ground to avoid the heat. For example, crocodiles and some kinds of frogs move underground where it is cold and more moist to sleep. Now let's we complete workbook writing assignment. Question number 1, multiple choice questions. The shelters of a dog is called option A shed, option B coop, option C stable, option D kennel. So the correct answer is option D kennel. Question number 2, find the shelter of a bird from the following: A stable, B anthill, C nest, D beehive. So the correct answer is option C nest. Then the next question is fill in the blanks. Horses are raised in stables. Snakes live in the holes and burrows made by other animals. Very short answer questions. Question number 5. Name the shelter shown in the picture. Answer: burrow. Question number 6. Where do wild animals live? Answer: forest. Question number 7. What are shelters? Answer: covered spaces used by animals to live and protect themselves are called shelters. Say yes or no. Shelters protect the animals from their enemies. Yes. Many animals eat the eggs of birds. Yes. A shelter is not a good place for young ones of animals. No. Birds use nests to feed their young ones. Yes. Then next, question number 12. Generally, where do birds build their nests? Answer: birds build nests in places where other animals cannot reach easily. Question number 13. Why do birds use soft things like cotton to make nests? Answer: it makes the nest soft and warm for their young ones. And next, multiple choice questions. Question number 14. What is shown in the picture? Option A zoo, option B national park, option C forest, option D kennel. So the correct answer is option A zoo. Question number 15. In which of the following places can animals live freely? Option A zoo, option B cage, option C circus, option D national park. Correct answer is option D national parks. Question number 16. Which of the following is more suitable for protecting animals? Give a reason to support your answer. Option A zoo, option B national park. Answer: a national park is more suitable for protecting animals. Here animals can live freely as they are not kept in cages. Question number 17. What is a national park? Answer: national park is a large forest area protected by the government to save wild animals and their natural shelters. Question number 18. Identify the ways shown in the following pictures that animals use to keep away from extreme weather conditions. Answer: birds travel to faraway places to escape from cold winters. Animals go into a deep winter sleep. Here it is, this lesson is completed. Everyone have to read this lesson 2 times and complete the workbook writing assignment.